First of all, good afternoon to one and all presented here. So my name is Sama Akil, and I'm a student of Wings Institute, and today I'm in the favor of Western culture. It doesn't mean that I forget our culture. It doesn't mean that. But today I'm here just to say a single word in the favor of Western culture. So I think Western culture is best. First of all, I like to tell you that what is culture? Culture simply means a particular group of people who performing their lives as per as their religions, means particular language, particular clothing, particular food, like etc.
India celebrate many type of festival
Yes, of course.
like Diwali. It is a festival of lights, and
Yes.
Holi. It is festival of color, and Eid celebrated by Muslims, and Christmas celebrated by Christians.
Yes.
And what do you say on these? And
Are a
people
lot of
don't
religions
celebrate.
of people. Okay, let me. In India, there are a lot of people who are different religions, so that's why they are celebrating this type of festival.
And in Western
There is only
country,
Christianity, so they are.
they don't celebrate birthplace of many religions like Hinduism and Buddhism, Sikhism also. And in India, there lives many varieties of.
Their own business. They are just minded their own business. They are don't interfere in their other life.
What we do in our life, we are seeing that the people are doing as a Western culture.
Nowadays, everyone wants to live in nuclear family, not the joint family.
Everyone wants
No,
to.
in ancient time, everyone likes to live in with her grandparents, grandmother.
But I am talking
nowadays,
about.
everyone wants to
I
live
am
with their
talking
mother
about.
and
I am
father.
talking about culture.
Is famous all over the world, you know.
Shah Rukh Khan is not a culture. As he said, that Shah Rukh Khan is not a culture. Shah Rukh Khan is not a culture. Shah Rukh Khan is an actor. Okay.
Culture is the best, as we know, and that all people like the Western culture, and the many.
If I talk about Indian culture, in India, and I think Indian culture is best.
According to our constitution,
Indian culture is best, and as you said that in India there are a lot of religions of people. Okay, so I know there are a lot of religions of people. So there is lack of brotherhood. Nowadays there is lack of brotherhood in India.
In India, lack of brotherhood. I think in Western culture they don't. In Western, I think there is lack of help other peoples. Every Indians want to help other people.
Western culture, every person don't interfere in others' life, and in Indians, you are Indians and you are interfere in others' life. And in our Western culture, there is nothing like that. But I forget it. Others' life, like the Indians.
Indian don't interfere other life. Indian want to know what his brother want, what his brother do, and
It is called the interfere in
if his
life.
brother want anything, he gives his brother. They don't Indian. They don't interfere other life. And you say in Western people they only
Mind their own business.
mind your own business.
brotherhood. Nowadays, government is fight to each other, Muslim and
Yes,
Hindus.
yes.
But have you told that in Western culture is best? But in Western culture, in a family, there are no person that care about your there can care about her family, and they did not spend the time with his family, and they only have the business, and they do this like this.
So in Indians, there is nothing like that. Everyone is busy in their own business. Everyone.
Okay,
Nowadays,
everyone.
everyone wants to earn money. I'm not saying like that. In Western culture is nothing like that. In Western, I'm not
Okay,
saying like that.
but it not mean everyone wants to earn money, but it not means that he doesn't care about your family, and he doesn't care about his children like that. What do you think about that? In Indian culture, they have major family, and if you go in the Western culture, there are a single family like that. In it say in another way, hum do hamare do.
But-
And it is adopted also from the Western culture,
Yes,
or
yes.
it is a very bad.
I know it's very big, but so why you are adopting these things from us? Why are you adopting? I know the reason behind it. Why are you adopting the hum do hamare do? Why are you adopting
I
this?
see many people that
But,
lots of children
Yes.
that means they have
And Indian population is increased day by day. That's why government has restricted to the children.
To the children, I didn't get in your point.
And I think Indian culture is the best. That's why we have a major family, and we are living to each other very common. Not is a culture is not taking place nowadays. Culture is before was, and what is taking place right now. It is not a culture.
It is a culture. It also
How can you say like that? It is a culture. How can say it? Please explain. What I don't know. What
I don't know about it. As you said that like ancient time, it is the culture. It is not the culture. We are living.
is-
It is not the culture. We are wearing. It is not the culture.
it is a culture, but okay. But right now you are putting on the niqab, and it is a
it is. A,
what is it?
it is. It is in Islam. Okay.
It is
not,
in Islam, not at all. I'm not talking about Islam.
Okay.
I'm talking about Indian culture, and it is also
okay. As you said.
is
Okay.
in-
You are wearing a shirt.
okay.
Where it is adopted from? It is adopted from Western culture. You don't know.
If someone put on the pant
all world
Yes.
and
Western in Western, which country belongs to Western? Can you
USA, America, Canada. USA, America, Canada.
only three countries?
No, I know about it. Only 3 countries I know. I don't know how many countries are.
But I think that Instagram, Facebook, it is not culture.
But you are using it. You are
I am
using
using
or not? Tell me, you are using or not?
I'm using that.
Then
But it is not culture. I'm talking about only culture, not about all.
okay. So why are you saying that?
and
What about the girls' safety? Yes, yes, yes.
You already know about it.
Yeah, I know very well.
And I think it doesn't need to explain it.
Yeah, I know. In
You
this,
already know about that.
in this thing, Western culture is best.
In this thing, the
Yes, of course.
culture is not based about that, because in today's date or before 100 years ago, Western culture is a very bad, and there are no safety for the women.
We are here and we are talking about nowadays, not ancient time.
Ancient time is also it is a part of the culture. And
Yes, I know.
We are talking about
Culture. Culture. Now, nowadays, in India, okay, ancient time
India.
in India, what is the safety for girls?
what is the safety for girls.
Yes, of course.
I'm talking about in Western culture. There are not there are. I think 100.
Yes, 100.
100% they meet to each other, and there is a no foundation. And in India there is a foundation to meet in each other. That's why women is not safe. If government had allowed to like
festival they only mind your business and they only busy in their life they don't celebrate festivals.
Okay, I'm agree with your point. In India, there are same things.
I'm right, that's why you agree.
Yeah, I'm agree. In India, there are also same things.
But I'm not agree with the Western culture, because if you will go in the Western culture, there are a lot of people they did not care or they don't care about your parents. What is the reason behind
Yes, they don't care your
And
parents.
In India, we are very careful about our parents.
Careful, careful. Okay,
when
okay.
our parents
Sorry
get
to interrupt
old,
you. Sorry to interrupt
when
you.
our parents
Which
get
type
old,
of care, guys? Which type of care, guys? Nowadays, no one cares about their family, about parents.
Which type of care do you want to know to us?
which type of care?
Which type of care do you
Okay.
want to know to us?
If a son married, then then he leave their parents. Why? I know the reason behind
only
it.
some people
Who lives their parents?
Huh?
Who lives?
Sorry.
only Western people leave their parents.
No.
And
No. That time, no one knows. No one wants to live with their parents.
no, Indians want to live with their parents.
Okay.
Western people don't want.
You are not
You-
thinking about your parents.
No.
What do you think about it?
I'm not from the Indian. I'm not from the Western culture. Okay.
You
Why
agree
are
with
you
your
getting
point.
so personal?
You agree with your point. With
Why are
your,
you? I know
I don't-
something. I want to know something. Why are you getting so personal?
I don't
I'm talking
agree-
to you,
I don't.
that's why I say to you.
I say Indian people care our parents.
Huh?
I say Indian people care their parents, but Western people don't care their parents.
I'm agree with your point. But nowadays, everyone wants this. Why? Okay. If a son married, then why she leaves? Then why he leaves their parents?
Because their wives said no,
It's
no,
your-
no one leave,
No
no
one-
one leave. Only some people leave their parents. Who was stupid? Who leave? Not everyone leave their parents.
What have you told, man?
Who is stupid?
Tell me again.
Sorry.
What have you told? Yeah.
I'm just saying that if a son married, then why they leaves their parents? Why?
How many percent? How many percent people that he leaves his parents after marriage? How
Oh.
many percent in India?
Only
And if I talk about Western culture,
There is no
I
one.
can say
There is no one.
there is no one.
No one. There is no one. I'm saying like that. There is no one.
Okay. Then in India, Indian culture is the best because it is more careful about than the Western culture.
Okay. How can you say like that? Then Indian culture is best.
Indian culture is because I have told you
Huh.
that in Western culture no one can care about your parents and like your parents. And in India, I think 60% people care about your parents.
No, not at all. 60%. I can't believe it.
Okay, you can't believe it, but you can research it
Okay.
on the Google.
Sure.
And India has a rich tradition of classical music and dance.
Hmm.
India has